Have you ever wondered how faith can influence our ability to overcome life's greatest challenges? Today, we are exploring the compelling power of faith, a force beyond simple belief, a potent instrument that has the capacity to alter the course of lives. It's not just about trusting in something unseen, but about harnessing that trust to navigate through life's stormy seas. Now let's delve into a remarkable story that perfectly illustrates this power of faith. Meet John. John's life was a series of trials and tribulations. Like many of us, John faced obstacles that felt insurmountable. His life was a winding road marked by loss, financial hardship, and health issues. Yet in the midst of his struggles, John found a spark of hope, a beacon in the darkness. John's story is a testament to the power of faith, of belief in something greater. In the face of adversity, he turned to the Bible, finding solace and strength in the words of Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. This scripture became a lifeline for John, a promise from God that he clung to during the darkest times. John's faith was not a sudden revelation, but a journey. As he wrestled with his challenges, he found himself drawn to the stories of those who had walked before him, those who had faced adversity and emerged stronger through their faith. The Bible became a source of comfort, a constant reminder of God's promise to work for the good of those who love him. John's story is a reminder that God's promises aren't always about an easy life or a quick solution to our problems. Rather, they are promises of a greater good, of a purpose that we may not always understand. John found peace in the knowledge that his trials were not in vain, that they were part of a grander plan, a divine purpose. In the face of adversity, John found resilience. He found strength in his faith, in the promise that God was working in his life, even when it didn't feel like it. He found hope in the belief that his trials were shaping him, preparing him for the purpose that God had for him. John's life is a testament to the power of faith, a shining example of how belief in God's promises can be a beacon of hope in the stormy sea of challenges. Through his trials and tribulations, John discovered a profound truth, that God's promises are not about the absence of adversity, but about the presence of grace. John's faith in God's promises was the beacon of hope in his stormy sea of challenges. John's story is a testament to the power of unwavering faith and God's unfailing promises. His journey, filled with trials and tribulations yet also hope and resilience, shines a light on the profound impact faith can have in our lives. It's a beacon of solace during the darkest of times, a compass guiding us when we're lost, and an unyielding source of strength when we feel weak. Let's turn to the book of Matthew chapter 19 verse 26. With man this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. These words not only affirm God's limitless capabilities, but also inspire us to lean on our faith, especially during challenging times. They remind us that even when situations seem impossible to navigate, with God, there is always a way. Remember, faith is not about knowing what the future holds, but knowing who holds the future. John's story has shown us the strength of faith and the power of God's promises. We invite you to reflect on your own experiences, and if you feel moved to do so, share your journey of faith and resilience in the comments below. If you found solace or inspiration in this video, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a like and share it with others who might also find comfort and encouragement in its message. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share to spread this message of faith. Remember, with faith in God's promises, you are never alone in your challenges.